Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create contacts in Pipedrive and subscriber in Pabbly email marketing from Facebook leads. Now we want that whenever a form is submitted to us through Facebook leads, that particular lead, that particular person should be added as a contact in our Pipedrive account, and the same person should also be added as a new subscriber in our Pabbly email marketing. And we also want to send at last an email to that particular person for their subscription. And we want that this all process should be automated. Now how we are going to do that? For this we will have to build an integration between all these applications, and for that we are going to take the help of Pabbly Connect. Now what we are going to do, we have Facebook leads in our trigger, then we have Pipedrive, Pabbly email marketing and Gmail in our actions. So we are going to build an integration between all these applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now to learn the entire process, let me take you all to my screen. To start with the process, first we have to type pabbly.com in our browser. We'll search for it, and as we do that, it has taken us towards the landing page of Pabbly. Now here we can find three options: product, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can easily go on sign up for free to create your free new account in just 2 minutes. As I'm already an existing user, therefore I am going on sign in. After that we have to click on access now option given on Pabbly Connect. And as we do that, it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here we can find all our workflows, and also to create a new workflow we have to click on create workflow option given on the right hand corner. So we'll click on it. Now it is asking us to provide it a name, so let's give it a name. So according to our workflow, I am giving it a name as Facebook lead ads to Pipedrive to Pabbly email marketing to Gmail. Now we'll click on create, and as we do that, it has provided us with a workflow which contains trigger and action. So let me tell you, trigger and action are the basic principles on which the entire workflow runs, and in any workflow we can have only one trigger, but we can have multiple actions. So let's start with the trigger. As I told you that our trigger here in this workflow will be Facebook lead ads. So let's select a trigger application, Facebook lead ads. We'll click on this, and now we have to search for a trigger event. So a trigger event will be new lead, and now we'll click on connect. So it is asking us two options: add new connection and select existing connection. So we'll click on add new connection, and then we have to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And we can see that our authorization is successful here. That means our Facebook lead ad is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now next we have to select the page. So I am selecting the page as Pabbly. And the next we have to select our form. So lead generation form. So I am selecting here for trial form. So I have already created one form for this particular workflow, and let me show you that. So this is the form, and once we will click on connect, we have to fill this form to create a test response. So let's click on save and send test request. Now we can see it is showing waiting for webhook response. That means we have to do a test submission over here in our form to capture the response in the Pabbly Connect. So let's start doing it. So it is a form. Let's enter the details over here. So let me enter the name, demo lead, mobile number, a dummy mobile number, and email. So let me also enter a dummy email over here, which will be, and now we have to click on next. We'll click on submit and close. So we can see on the Pabbly Connect we have received the response with the same details which we have entered, the number, name and the email. Now let's move on to our next step. So our next step will be action step. So first we have to choose our action application for this, which will be Pipedrive, because we wanted to add the details which we have generated from Facebook lead ads and to be added as a new contacts in our Pipedrive. So we will be searching here for the action application, which is Pipedrive. Click on this, and now we have to select our action event, which will be create a person, and now we have to click on connect. Again it is asking two options: add new connection or select existing one. So we'll click on add new connection. Now it is asking API token. So we have to find out our API token from Pipedrive account. So we'll go on our Pipedrive account, and from the profile section on the top right corner, we'll have to go on personal preferences, and here we can find API option. So from here we can find our API token. We have to copy it down, and then we have to paste it over here. We'll click on save and done. Now it is asking us to map these details one by one. Let's start it. First is name. So let's select the name. The name is demo lead. Next is, it is asking us label. So let me give it a label of my choice, such as hot lead. Now it is asking us for phone number. So let's map the phone number. an email. So the email is this. Done. Now we have to click on save and send test request. And our response is positive over here. So now we have to check on our Pipedrive account whether we have received this response in the form of a new contact or not. So from the contact section over here, we can check, and yeah, we can find that we have received the response over here with the same details which we have created. Now again, we have to move further for the next action step. So let's click on the plus sign, add one new action step. So let's select for another action application, which will be Pabbly email marketing. So let's click on it. And now we have to select for the action event, which is add subscriber. And as we do that, we have to click on connect. Now again, it is asking us two options, add new connection or select existing one. So we'll click on add new connection. And here we have to provide it a bearer token. Now from where we are going to find our bearer token, for that we have to go on our Pabbly email marketing account. So let's go on account section in Pabbly Connect and click on access now. And here inside from the integration section, we have to go on developer API, and here we can find a bearer token. So let's copy it down and simply we have to paste it over here. Now we have to click on save. Done. So the next step is to map the details over here. So our list name will be, let me add the list name as testing. So the next is email. Let's start doing it. Let's map the email also from Pipedrive. We'll search for the email which we have entered. This is the one, and we'll click on and we'll map it. And now the last, it is asking us for the name. So let's also map the name, and this is the name. And we have to simply click on save and send test request. So we can see that our status is success. So let's check whether we have received this response in our Pabbly email marketing or not. So we'll have to go on subscriber section from the left hand side. We have to click on testing, and here we can find that we have received the response as a new subscriber with the same details which we have added in Pipedrive. So let's move further. Go on Pabbly Connect, and now we have to click on plus sign to add one more action step. And our last action step will be to send the email to our subscribers for their subscription. Now for this, we have to choose our action application, which will be Gmail. Click on this, and we have to click on action event, which is send email, of course. And we have to click on connect. Now we'll click on add new connection, connect with Gmail, and here we have to choose our email ID, and now we have to click on continue. So our authorization is successful over here, and our Gmail account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking us these details which we have to map one by one. So first is recipient's email address. Now as we have entered dummy details over there, so I have also entered dummy email ID over there. So now to receive email in real, we have to map a correct email ID. So let me add one correct email ID over there. You can of course map the same email address which is received to you from the leads. So to show you the real email, I am mapping here the correct email ID. Done. Now let's move on and enter sender's name. So in the sender name, I am Pabbly, and subject of the email will be, let's add subject of the email, and in the subject, let me type subscription confirmed. Now we have to choose our email content. For this, let me write hello, and let's map the name of the person here. So the name is, we have got your response, your subscription is confirmed, thank you. And at last, we have to click on save and send test request. So the status is sent. That means the email has been sent. Now let's check whether we have received the email or not. We'll go on Gmail, and here we can find that we have received the email with subscription confirmed. Hello demo lead, we have got your response. Your subscription is confirmed. Thank you. So at last we have successfully sent the email. So this was the full workflow, and these were the steps which we have to follow in order to integrate all these applications. And this was it in this video. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.